How to fix the issue of laptop on but signal not available. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open settings application. So you can simply use the shortcut key window plus I to open settings. After that, here in the application on your left hand side you will see a lot of options. Simply go to system. Now in system, scroll all the way down until you see the option of troubleshoot. Once you find it, double click on it. Now in troubleshoot setting, you will see the option of others troubleshoot. After that, in that other troubleshoot, you simply need to go to network and internet and click on run. Shortly a prompt will appear on your screen providing you the instructions to follow to fix the issue of network and internet. Follow those steps. Even after that, if you are not able to see signal on your laptop or PC, simply go to the next step. Now the next step is to simply go to device manager and update your network adapters. So right click on the Windows icon at the taskbar. A menu will appear. From that menu, you simply need to search for device manager. Double click on it. After that, device manager application will open. And now here you simply need to search for network adapters. After you find your network adapter, double click on it, go to its property. After that, a prompt will appear. From this prompt, go to driver, click on update driver and search for automatically updated drivers. After that, you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.